Tropicana Beach, La Campe, located far from Lekki, almost 2 hours journey, based in Lagos, Nigeria. Beautiful place, Atlantic Ocean. My friend Vijay is going front. Nice place.